Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your place. So dear students, yesterday we were reading this chapter Henry, chapter number 3 Henry, about a pet chameleon. We have completed half of the chapter and today we will start from here. As we have read in the story that how Henry became a member of narrator's family, how a grandfather saved him from the certain death, and now we will study about how Henry was willingly snatching food from narrator's hand. So let's read it. Henry was a harmless creature. Provided I was patient, Henry was willing to take food from my hands. So the narrator is telling that Henry was not harmful at all. It was not a dangerous creature. Creature means any living thing, okay, or any animal, any human being or any bird. All these are creatures. Provided I was patient, Henry was willing to take food from my hands. Patient means to stay calm or able to stay calm, okay. So the narrator is saying if I was patient, then the Henry would willingly take food from his hands, means he would really want to take food from his hands, but the condition was that the narrator need to be patient for that. This he did very swiftly. His tongue was the sort which came back to him with the food and insect attached to it. So this action of snatching the food from the narrator's hand was a very quick action. So he would do it very quickly. Swiftly means quickly. His tongue was the sort which came back to him with the food and insect attached to it. So his tongue was such kind of organ of which once he would take out from his mouth, it would go as long as it can, okay, and the insect that would stuck to the tongue means that is attached to the tongue, and then its tongue comes back. Before I could even realize what had happened, the grasshopper held between my fingers would be lodged between Henry's jaws. So before the narrator could realize, he could get to know, okay, what had happened. All of a sudden the grasshopper which the narrator was holding in his fingers, between his fingers, that would be lodged. Lodged means would stuck or would fixed between Henry's jaws. The grasshopper that the narrator was holding, it got stuck between the Henry's jaws, means वो grasshopper जो उसने पकड़ा हुआ था अपने हाथ में narrator ने, वो within a frame of seconds, within the time frame of seconds, it was there in the Henry's jaws. वो Henry के mouth में था कुछ seconds के बीच में, ठीक है. Next, Henry did not cause trouble in our house, but he did create something like a riot. In the nursery school down the road, it happened like this. So now narrator is going to describe one of the incident which took place in his grandfather's school. Henry was a kind of pet who never caused any trouble in the house, who never created any mess in the house, but he did create some problem. He did create a riot like thing. Riot means जैसे दंगे फसाद होते हैं, ठीक है, जिसमें काफ़ी सारे लोग इकट्ठा होकर बहुत सारा शोर मचाने लग जाते हैं, इधर उधर भागने लग जाते हैं, ठीक है. Where he did so, he did this thing in the nursery school down the road, and how it happened, it's described here now. When the papayas in our garden were ripe, grandmother usually sent a basket of them to her friend, Mrs. Ghosh, who was the principal of the nursery school. So when the papayas in narrator's gardens, they were ripe, his grandmother most often used to send a basket full of papayas to one of her friend who was Mrs. Ghosh, and she was also the principal of the nursery school. So on this occasion, Henry managed to smuggle. So what do you mean by smuggle? Smuggle means to move things secretly, okay. So Henry managed to smuggle himself into the basket of papayas, means he secretly entered into the basket of papayas. He hid himself into the basket of papayas when no one was looking when no one was looking, जब उसे कोई भी देख नहीं रहा था तो वो चुपके से वो पपायास की बास्केट में जाकर छुप गया. The gardener dutifully carried the papayas across to the school. Dutifully means as he was given this duty to hand over this basket of papayas to the principal of the school. Okay, so he was just carrying that basket across to the school and he took them to Mrs. Ghosh office. So Mrs. Ghosh, as she was the principal of the school, she might be there in the office, and the gardener dutifully carried those papayas to her. When Mrs. Ghosh came in after making her rounds, she began admiring and examining the papayas. Out popped Henry. So when Mrs. Ghosh came after taking a round of the whole school, like our principal sir, he takes round in the whole school when the school was offline and everybody was there present in the school. You might have noticed that sir usually takes rounds in the school to check if everything is going on well or not, right? So same way Mrs. Ghosh also took some rounds in the school, and when she entered in her office, she looked at that basket of papayas and she began admiring. Admiring means praising, appreciating something. किसी चीज़ को praise करना, उसको अच्छे लग रहे थे, तारीफ करना. Admiring and examining the papayas. Examining means she started checking those papayas whether these are okay or how they look like. And the moment she was doing this thing, means she was admiring and examining the papayas, all of a sudden Henry popped out of the papayas. Popped out means it came out of the papayas all of a sudden. Mrs. Ghosh screamed. Henry would probably have liked to blush a deep red, but he turned a bright green instead, as that was the color of the papayas. Mrs. Ghosh screamed very loudly. Screamed means she shouted. वो चिल्लाई जोर से, उसने चीखें मारी. She might be scared to see Henry there. Henry would probably have liked to blush a deep red. तो उसकी स्क्रीम सुन के Henry को होना तो ये चाहिए था कि उसका जो कलर हो जाता, कलर उसका एकदम से वो ब्लश करता. It would have started blushing with the deep red color, but he turned a bright green. Why? As I told you in the beginning of the chapter, that chameleon has this quality that it turns its color according to the surface or according to the situation, wherever it is, according to the place, according to its surroundings. Okay, so wherever it was there in between the green papaya, so it changed its color. It changed its color to green. Now, Mrs. Ghosh's assistant, Miss Daniels, rushed in, took one look at the chameleon and joined in the screaming. So, after hearing Mrs. Ghosh screaming, उसको चिल्लाते हुए, चीखते हुए सुनकर, Mrs. Daniel, who was Mrs. Ghosh's assistant, assistant means helper, जो उनको assist करते हैं हर काम में. So Miss Daniels rushed in. She came running and took one look at the chameleon. The moment she looked at the chameleon, and she also started screaming, joined in the screaming means. Now both of them, Mrs. Ghosh and Miss Daniel, both of them were screaming. Henry took fright and fled from the office. Now seeing all this situation, Henry was frightened and he fled from the office. Fled means ran from the office, running down to the corridor and into one of the classrooms. So corridors or floors or stairs में से निकलते हुए कभी classroom में जा रहा था, एक classroom में, दूसरे classroom में. It kept on running here and there. There he climbed onto a desk while the children ran in all directions, some to get away from Henry, some to catch them. So he was climbing on the desk there, and children were scared and children were running here and there everywhere in the classrooms, and some of them were just running away from Henry and some of them were trying to catch him. Catch him means उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. but Henry made his exit through a window and disappeared into the garden. Exit means वो बाहर निकल गया. तो Henry जो था, he went out from the window, okay, through the window and disappeared into the garden. और फटाफट से जब बाहर निकला तो गार्डन में पता ही नहीं चला कहाँ चला गया. All of a sudden it disappeared, दिखना ही बंद हो गया. ठीक है. Grandmother heard all about the incident from Mrs. Ghosh but did not tell her that the chameleon was ours. I did not think Henry would find his way back to us because the school was 3 houses away, but 3 days later I found him sunning himself on the garden wall and he readily accepted some food from my hand. So grandmother heard about all this incident, whatever happened. Mrs. Ghosh described the whole incident to grandmother, but grandmother did not disclose at all. She did not let her know that the chameleon was theirs. Chameleon was their pet animal. I did not think Henry would find his way back to us means the narrator never thought that Henry would come back now because school was 3 houses away. School was at the distance of 3 houses. 3 घर छोड़ के फिर उसके आगे स्कूल था. तो Henry thought कि अब वो यहाँ वापस नहीं आएगा, वो काफ़ी दूर चला गया है. But 3 days later, after 3 days, what he discovered, he found him sunning himself. Sunning again means he was again sitting in the sunshade, relaxing himself, but where? On the garden wall. Now this time he was sitting on the garden wall. In the beginning of the chapter, where he was sitting? On a shrub in the garden. Now this time he was sitting on the garden wall and he readily means he was again ready to accept meal from narrator's hand, and he readily did that. He ate food from the narrator's hand. Okay. So Rajay, this is all for today. The chapter is completed and I will share the book back exercises and extracts with you, and please go through the chapter once again and watch this video, and I will get back to you soon with my next video. Till then, take care, have a good day, bye bye.